let's turn from there to another case which is making the headlines from the Supreme Court. Only yesterday, the Supreme Court dismissed BJP leader Ashwini Upadhyay's petition to rename cities and historical monuments that were named after invaders. But the two-judge Supreme Court bench, which struck down the petition, also made certain important observations about how renaming could only fan communal disharmony at times. What does this mean to renaming cities? Take a look.
Aurangabad to become Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. Osmanabad becomes Dharashiv. Allahabad renamed as Prayagraj. And there are calls to rename Hyderabad as Bhagyanagar. In the past few years, many cities have got new identities, and there is a clamour for many more name changes. Now the top court of India has come down heavily on one such petition for renaming cities. The Supreme Court on Monday rejected a public interest litigation by Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay, a BJP leader, seeking new names for all cities and historical sites named after who he called barbaric invaders. During the hearing, two-judge bench of Justice K.M. Joseph and Justice B.V. Nagaratna made several observations. Justice Joseph said the plea is aimed at a particular community. He highlighted how digging up the past can lead to communal disharmony in the society. The justice asked the petitioner if he wanted to keep the country on the boil. Justice Joseph described Hinduism as the greatest religion in terms of metaphysics, adding, "Do not belittle it." The justice said he is a Christian, but he is equally fond of Hinduism and has tried to study it. Justice Joseph pointed out that religious worship has nothing to do with roads. Justice B.V. Nagaratna made several observations on Hinduism and its essence. She said Hinduism is a way of life, because of which India has assimilated everybody. Hinduism does not allow bigotry, she added. Justice Nagaratna asked the petitioner not to bring back the divide and rule policy of the British with such petitions. She said historical facts cannot be wished away and that the country has many other problems to address. The court stressed that India is wedded to rule of law, secularism and constitutionalism and cannot be a prisoner of the past.
भगवान कृष्ण ने सोनप्रस्थ मांगा था, वो सोनीपत हो गया। इंद्रप्रस्थ मांगा था, दिल्ली हो गया। पानप्रस्थ मांगा था, वो पानीपत हो गया।
The petitioner has also wanted the Archaeological Survey of India list all historical sites named after settlers.
ऐसे वो स्थान जिनका वर्णन कहीं न कहीं वेद पुराण में है, कहीं न कहीं गीता रामायण में है, उन स्थानों का नाम बदला जा चुका है। हम आजादी की 75वीं वर्षगांठ मना रहे हैं, तो हमें यह अधिकार है कि हमारे कम से कम जिन स्थानों का वर्णन वेद पुराण में है उनका पुनः नामकरण किया जाए। सेकुलरिज्म का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि हमारे जो धार्मिक स्थान है, जो ऐतिहासिक स्थान है, जो सांस्कृतिक स्थान है, वो आक्रांताओं के नाम पे चले।
The Supreme Court bench of Justices K.M. Joseph and B.V. Nagaratna, while dismissing the PIL by Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay, said that no nation should be allowed to become a prisoner of its own past. The bench in its order stated that the history of no nation should impact its current and future generations to such an extent that the succeeding generations become a prisoner of the country's own past. In its order, the bench also spoke extensively about the concept of fraternity and how a true sense of brotherhood and a true sense of secularity can only be achieved when different sections of the society come together in true harmony. In New Delhi, this is Nalini Sharma for India Today.